Getting around. Phrasal verbs for transportation and commuting. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a very interesting topic: phrasal verbs for transportation and commuting. We're going to learn some idiomatic expressions using these phrasal verbs which are commonly used in English conversation. So, let's hit the road. Before we dive in, let's quickly review what phrasal verbs are. A phrasal verb is a verb that's combined with a preposition or adverb, forming a phrase with a meaning different from the original verb itself. These are very common in everyday English conversation, so it's essential to get to grips with them. Now, let's explore some phrasal verbs that relate specifically to transportation and commuting. 1. Get on. To board a bus, train, or plane. 2. Example. I'll get on the next bus to the city center. 3. Get off. To leave a bus, train, or plane. 4. Example. Make sure to get off at the right stop. 5. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground and begins to fly. 6. Example. Our flight is scheduled to take off at 9 a.m. 7. Pick up. To go and get someone in your car. 8. Example. Can you pick me up after work? 9. Drop off. To take someone to a place and leave them there. 10. Example. I'll drop you off at the station. Try to make some sentences with these phrasal verbs and practice them as much as possible. Now that we have some basic phrasal verbs, let's spice things up a bit with some idiomatic expressions. 1. Run out of gas, not having any energy left. 2. Example. I've run out of gas. I need to rest. 3. On the right track, doing something in a way that will bring good results. 4. Example. If you keep practicing, you're on the right track to fluency. 5. Backseat driver. A passenger in a car who gives unwanted advice to the driver. 6. Example. She's such a backseat driver. She keeps telling me how to drive. Remember, these expressions aren't usually taken literally. They have metaphorical meanings that add richness to the language. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on phrasal verbs for transportation and commuting. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. Don't forget, the key to mastering these phrasal verbs and idioms is practice. So, keep using them in your daily English conversations. Until next time, keep exploring the language and safe travels on your language learning journey.